I was once in a rickshaw and that guy started jerking off in the rickshaw.
Rickshaw driver?
The rickshaw driver while driving.
How?
With one hand on his thing, one hand on his dick. And I was like, oh my god. अभी आप मुझे बोल रहे हो मैं घर की लक्ष्मी. And now suddenly, for no fault of mine, मैं suddenly वो बन गई हूँ. Like I'm none of those things. Yeah. Lead has to be a cookie cutter. You know, tall, patli, fair, itne baal, and certain features and all. And uski best friend has to be fat and funny and you know whatever. So I have actually been told कि either you lose weight or put on weight. Actually the problem with lingerie is that या तो हम बिल्कुल बात नहीं करते उसके बारे में या हमने overly sexualize कर दिया है उसको. मतलब आप lingerie देखते सोचते ही हो तो आपके दिमाग में lace and एक hot सी बंदी and you know ass shots and boob shots ये सब आ रहा है. Someone told me you're too intelligent to be an actor. I said, what the hell does that mean? Casting director will text you and say, let's go for coffee. अब आप दोस्त तो हो नहीं मेरे, मैं क्यों जाऊँ? आप मुझे ऑफिस में बुलाओ, काम के लिए बुलाओ, मैं मिलूंगी. अगर आपको अदरवाइज भी कैच अप करना है तो somehow it just doesn't feel right. Patriarchy leads to more deaths of men than women, barring the sexual crime. मैं घर से नीचे and I was wearing घर का t-shirt and shorts and there was this guy who was sitting and just staring. I looked at him and I said, क्या देख रहा है? तो he goes, आपकी legs.
मानवी, वेलकम टू द मेल फेमिनिस्ट, सुपर पावर्ड बाय क्लोविया. इनके किरदार कई सारे महिलाओं को इंस्पायर करते आए हैं. कई बार इनकी ही किरदार की आर्क एवोल्यूशन रही है कई महिलाओं के लिए. तो हैप्पी टू हैव यू मानवी. क्या हाल है?
थैंक यू, बहुत बढ़िया.
जो हम परिवार की बात कर रहे थे, आपका कैसा होता था परवरिश एंड वर यू दिस लाइक वोकल एज अ चाइल्ड?
Yeah, surprisingly. In fact,
क्या इंसिडेंट, कोई एनेक्डोट बताओ.
Like I have a very strong sense of justice. ऐसा क्यों? When we were young, कंजकें होती है ना, my nanny used to send कंजक के पैसे घर पे. Then after I started my period or whatever, so that year I didn't get money. So I asked my mom, I said, बड़ी मम्मी ने भेजे नहीं पैसे? And she's like, women who start, like once you start your period, then उसके बाद नहीं होता है. And I was like, that's not fair at all. अभी आप मुझे बोल रहे हो मैं घर की लक्ष्मी. And now suddenly, for no fault of mine, मैं suddenly वो बन गई हूँ. Like I'm none of those things. Yeah, it's something this is not in my control. Like you know, I can understand if I had done something, then you're like,
कि अरे ये मत हो रहा अभी.
हाँ, तो my mom was like, please take it up with बड़ी मम्मी. So I was like, okay, cool. And I called up my nanny.
I like your justice. I like your mother's justice.
Yeah. She's like, listen, don't involve me in this. This is between you and her. Please talk to her. I said, okay. I picked up the phone on her. I told her. And my nanny, I think just to avoid an argument, she's like, हाँ, okay, ठीक है, I'll send. So for another,
she's like, पैसा भेज दो, इसको चुप हो जाएगी.
She's like, ये बोलती रहेगी नहीं तो. So for another 4-5 years, she sent money, and I think उसके बाद it just phased out. In fact, even now, I tell my mom, I'm like, याद है आपको? याद है? I didn't even know the meaning of feminism, but मैं तब से I've been fighting for.
और कोई उदाहरण हेतु बातें बचपन की जहाँ आप रियलाइज करती हो कि ये मैं ये थी, और आप कैसे इवॉल्व भी हुई जिंदगी में, ये भी बता सकती हो.
My sister got married when she was like a lot younger than the age that I got married. तो मुझे याद है I wasn't very okay with the idea of कन्यादान because I was like, giving your daughter away का मतलब क्या है? And then the whole thing of girl becoming a part of that family, taking their name. What is that? So I remember I had a fight with my dad कि ये क्यों? Why is this?
मंडप पे नहीं हुआ ये, पहले
नहीं मंडप नहीं, पहले ही हो गया था.
बहुत सुंदर.
हाँ. तो and then at one point I realized कि ठीक है, maybe it's not my place because ना तो मेरी शादी. I mean I can maybe do it at my wedding, but it's not my wedding. So let them only decide or whatever.
आप छोटे होते तो कई बार आपको डिस भी कर दिया जाता है.
Correct.
तुम कुछ नहीं जानते, तुम छोटे.
हाँ.
यार लेकिन मानवी ये बताओ कि दिल्ली में जब आप पल रही थी, बढ़ रही थी, तब वहाँ कैसा माहौल था वर्सेस लेट्स से मे बी मुंबई में आपको कैसा महसूस हुआ जब आप यहाँ मूव हुई?
There was a time जब मैं बड़ी हो रही थी, I used to think कि I can't live in any other city other than Delhi. Till I till I ये सब था school and a little bit of college. Then
protected environment.
Correct. You know, घर से स्कूल जा रहे हैं, अब स्कूल में भी अपने ही set of friends हैं, उनके साथ आप घूम रहे हो, very protected. Then when I moved to Bombay, so then I realized कि यार अच्छा, this is the difference, and like this is like it was really liberating for me when I moved to Bombay. But I do think that there are certain things in Delhi which are great, and I always feel that everyone should study in Delhi and work in Bombay.
दिल्ली के बारे में मेरे को ये बताओ कि स्कूल में आपने बताया प्रोटेक्टेड था, कॉलेज?
So again, college was relatively very protective again because, but I'll tell you how it affects or it can impact your decisions. So when because I have an older sister, so she had already done this thing of traveling in buses to go to college when she moved to college. So she would go there in a
DTC?
bus. हाँ DTC, I think हाँ. वो भी उसने थोड़ा सा लिया. Then she didn't have a very good experience. जब उसने वो बताया और मैं और छोटी थी, right? So it really scarred me. When I was going from school to college, I had decided कि मुझे girls college में ही जाना है, number one. And the other thing was, I said I'm not going to go to North Campus or even South Campus. मुझे था कि या तो LSR, गार्गी, कमला नेहरू, ये जो आसपास चार है यहीं पे वही वो तो साउथ कैंपस हो गया ना. तो आई वाज लाइक नहीं, उसके लिए भी बस लेनी पड़ती ना.
वही मतलब.
हाँ, तो आई थिंक मुझे पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं,
लाइन में जो 3 है एक साथ उनमें से करना.
करेक्ट. हाँ, आई सेड हाँ, ये मुझे पब्लिक, आई नीड समथिंग वेयर आई कैन गो बाय रिक्शा नाउ. बट इमेजिन लाइक उसकी वजह से मैंने ये नहीं किया.
बट कोई ऐसा अनटूवर्ड इंसिडेंट रास्ते पे चलते आपके साथ नहीं हुआ कि स्कारिंग?
नहीं हुए तो हैं. I was once in a rickshaw and that guy started jerking off in the rickshaw and we were looking at the rickshaw driver while driving.
How?
With one hand on his thing, one hand on his dick. और मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. He kept looking at me. Obviously I'm not looking there, right? So मुझे तो दिखा भी नहीं.
I mean you can't also.
Yeah, I just realized that he's constantly looking at me, and then at one point his expression was weird. It wasn't just looking, whatever. It was some weird expression. And then I saw his hand moving and I was like, oh my God. And मैं बहुत छोटी थी उस time. Like I remember I must have been 15 or 16. Then I remember एक बार mom and I were in a market once. So this guy, he walked by and he pinched me or something. My expression must have changed because I didn't say anything. But my mom looked at me. She's like, what happened? And my mom like went after. I don't even know if she went and hit one guy. I don't know सही बंदे को भी मारा कि नहीं. Maybe she hit the wrong guy, but she hit someone. At that moment, you don't know what to do. You're just so stunned. And the younger you are, the more lost you are or whatever. So
मैं बहुत दिन से ये चाह रहा हूँ कि कभी इस शो के चलते चलते भले ही 20-30 साल लग जाए, कोई आके मेरे को एक महिला बोल दे यार
कि नहीं, कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ. हाँ.
और कई बार मेरे को महिलाएं बोलती थी हमारे साथ कुछ नहीं हुआ. जैसे उनके साथ इतना इंटेंस नहीं हुआ रहेगा तो उन्होंने बाकी सारी चीजें हाइजीन में ब्रश अंडर कर दी.
उनको लगता है कि
कैट कॉलिंग वगैरह या थोड़ा सा हाथ लगा दिया.
Even when I'm telling you, I'm not telling you the normal ones. I remember ये तो बॉम्बे में हुआ था. मैं घर से नीचे and I was wearing घर का t-shirt and shorts and I just went down and there was this guy who was sitting and just staring and he kept staring. Now my Delhi upbringing is I looked at him and I said क्या देख रहा है? तो he goes आपकी legs. And I was stunned. I didn't know what to say to that. Unfortunately, it's such a mundane thing. मतलब it's only when you go to other places जब आपको लगता है यार हाँ abroad में भी ऐसा नहीं कि 100% वहाँ पे safety है, but relatively safer in this regard. Like I remember I was in Toronto and I was at the Toronto Film Festival and I was meeting some friends after that. तो मैंने उनको बोला था तुम मुझे location pin भेज दो. I saw the place. It was 15 minutes walking. I said ठीक है. And it was like dark हो गया था और मैं walk करके आ रही हूँ. मैं अपना गाने सुनते हुए आई. I reached. I met my friends and वो तो she's like अच्छा how are you finding, because that was my first time. She said how are you finding Toronto? I said I really like it. She's like what did you like about it? I said यार I just realized कि मैं एक alien city में जहाँ मैं पहली बार आई हूँ, मैं अंधेरे में 15 मिनट की ही वॉक थी बट मुझे एक बार भी डर नहीं लगा. Not once was I scared कि कोई बैग भी चुरा लेगा वाला कि बस I was like तो ये कितनी she's like yeah वो तो like that's there.
यार ये क्यों नहीं हम महसूस करवा सकते अपनी महिलाओं को हमारे देश के शहरों के रस्तों पे? कई सारी महिलाएं मुंबई शिफ्ट होती हैं तो उन्हें आई थिंक ये शायद पता होना चाहिए. बट आपकी क्या एक्सपीरियंसेस थे, क्या चीज़ें थी जो आप अभी सेफ्टी नेट से या पर्सपेक्टिव से देख रही होती थी किसी भी मुंबई के घर में when you were moving in?
When I was moving to Bombay the first few years, जब भी मैं घर चेंज कर रही होती थी, one major factor would be कि वो सेफ्टी डोर है कि नहीं. मतलब मैंने अच्छे घर रिजेक्ट किए हैं on the basis because they didn't have a safety door.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Yeah. I've had fights with my parents कि नहीं यार ये घर इतना अच्छा है, and they're like we will be happier if you have a safety door.
यार क्या स्टीरियोटाइप ब्रेक करने पड़ रहे थे करियर की जर्नी में?
I think looks को लेके because I never fit into any mold because the only existing molds were या तो lead या lead की best friend.
बस.
So now lead has to be a cookie cutter, tall, patli, fair, itne baal and certain features and all. And uski best friend has to be fat and funny and whatever.
ऐसे वाले. She did funny with her face like.
नहीं, that's the kind of funny they want ना कि ये वाला funny कि अरे तू तो उधर नहीं गई, ये वाला, not like genuine funny or witty. So I have actually been told कि either you lose weight or put on weight.
I've been there.
Yeah, so I was like, but this is what an average Indian girl is. And there are days when I'm feeling skinny, there are days when I'm feeling very bloated and fat. So just like any other girl, then thanks to OTT, that changed. And in fact, my
Thanks.
Yeah. So I remember Pictures was my first kind of a breakthrough project. तो उसमें my favorite thing about that, and मतलब why I said ये तो पेपर पे ही ऐसे बोल दिया था मैंने, was because when that it came to me, Shreya का character, it described her not in physical terms. It said Shreya is a 25-year-old girl. She is Naveen's girlfriend.
Yeah.
She has they are more like friends, and then उनके relationship के बारे में, and then she works at McKinsey. She is a very highly qualified achiever. मतलब ये सब, it was all about her personality traits, that she is vivacious, but she's also very serious when she's very mature. You know, so there was all of that. There was no like tall है कि thin है कि fair है कि मतलब up market है कि down market, you know, ये सब.
Oh my God, the ad briefs are fuck all. Age bracket, up market and body description.
Yeah.
और हम भी उसके behest पे हैं.
हाँ.
हम उसके पीछे पे भी वो टाइप करके हगरे होते हैं.
Yeah. तो so I was like, wow, ये तो करना है, ये तो करूँगी मैं. You know, so that's
kudos
what,
TBF.
yeah.
Thank you. आप लोगों ने काफी पॉप कल्चर डिफाइन तो किया
Yeah.
ही. बट ये तो फिल्म की दुनिया है. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि मानवी सोसाइटल नॉर्म्स आल्सो डोंट एक्सपेक्ट अस टू बी इन certain shape and size. And rudest comments किस प्रकार के हुआ करते थे?
They would say कि why don't you try writing? Someone told me you're too intelligent to be an actor. I said what the hell does that mean? They said कि नहीं, आपका ना आप इंटेलिजेंट लगते हो तो वो थोड़ा कम करो. मैंने कहा ये कि मैं आप मुझे बताओ. I said okay, let's leave everything. No, I was like just leave everything. Just tell me how. I will. आप जो बोलोगे मैं. How do I look less intelligent?
Took it up with him.
Yeah, I said give me constructive feedback ना. चल अभी आप प्रॉब्लम बता रहे हो, सोल्यूशन भी दो साथ में. आपके हिसाब से how does one look stupid or look stupid? Behave stupid I know, talk stupid I know, but how do I look stupid? And you think नहीं, मतलब जैसे आपको जर्नलिस्ट वाले रोल बहुत मिलेंगे और वो मिले भी मुझे ना, इसलिए मिल रहे हैं मुझे जर्नलिस्ट वाले रोल. You know, things like that. Fortunately, it never affected my confidence in a way that, or maybe it did, that I'm not aware of. Maybe subconsciously somewhere it played a part, but I feel it didn't.
भाई मैं तो ये बता रहा हूँ आपको कि कास्टिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं तो द वर्ड दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड एज सून एज पीपल से कास्टिंग, वो वाला आपके साथ कार्यक्रम कभी नहीं हुआ? Did anybody do?
No, thankfully.
As a millennial artist, वो अभी होता है कि अभी भी कास्टिंग काउच?
I remember someone had once said compro, and मुझे नहीं समझ आता compro meaning what. So I was like compro, and then someone said compromise, and I was like what? And you know what? तो हंसी आ गई थी मुझे. But there are other ways, you know, which are a little trickier to navigate.
कुछ दो तीन आप हमें बताएं ताकि जितनी महिलाएं देख रही हैं उनको पता हो.
Like they'll ask you for casting director will text you and say let's go for coffee. अब आप दोस्त तो हो नहीं मेरे, मैं क्यों जाऊँ मतलब कॉफी पे? Had it been just a normal कि let's catch up, आप शायद फिर भी चले जाओगे, but आपको हमें समझ आ जाता है, right? Like everyone gets it.
Location
what is the not just location, but you get the sense, right? Like you get the vibe.
आपको पता है मानवी, ये महिलाओं को पता होता है, ये मर्दों को इतना ज्यादा खास बहुत जोर का पीएचडी नहीं है इसमें. महिलाओं को बहुत ज्यादा वाइब पिकरी.
Because we have to. We are trained. We are brought up like that. We have to pick up on these vibes, right? So वो I think even men would pick up on these vibes if they were taught to like the same way.
Or if they were pinched, मम्मी के साथ चलते चलते.
Correct. So you know they'll ask you for coffee, like हर बोलेंगे कि चल मिलते हैं, and at odd hours and things like that, and you're like क्यों? बट
ये नहीं सही था.
हाँ, आप मुझे ऑफिस में बुलाओ, काम के लिए बुलाओ, मैं मिलूंगी. अगर आपको अदरवाइज भी कैच अप करना है तो somehow it just doesn't feel right. Parties में if they meet you, you know, they'll come and hug you and then the hand stays here and you're just like अरे बस हो गया भाई, हग मतलब इतने भी हम करीबी दोस्त नहीं हैं, you know, so things like that. How do you navigate that?
So the time at which you've been called for something, the basic hand movements that can be indicators or something.
हाँ, मतलब just you get a very uncomfortable vibe, right? At
uncomfortable
times.
vibe.
Yeah. तो वो मुझे लगता है कि वो how do you because you want to be friendly, you want to maintain a good relationship.
बहुत tricky space है देखिए.
अगर आपने मुड़ के बोल दिया, अच्छा वो भी स्मार्ट खेलते हैं, right? Because अब किसी ने suppose आपका हाथ पकड़ा for an extra 10 seconds ऐसे करके.
It does get uncomfortable.
हाँ, uncomfortable for you. But अगर आपने suppose if you react to it कि बस भाई छोड़ दे, तो then they'll get like क्या मतलब for them it's like अरे हाथ ही तो पकड़ा है, मतलब it's easy for them to back out of it also.
तब आप awkward moment में आ जाते हो.
हाँ, so then which neither of the parties wants to get into, especially the girl or the. It's also a power game, right? Why is my no not enough? एक बार मुझे याद है, I was sitting at some restaurant waiting for my friend to come, और वो she was stuck in traffic, तो I was like हाँ ठीक है, मैं बैठी हुई थी, तो एक बंदा आया and he was like, you know, can I buy you a drink? And I was like no thank you. तो then he's like okay, चला गया. फिर थोड़ी देर के बाद आया कि oh now why is a pretty lady like you sitting all by herself and all. तो I said I can buy my own drink, thank you so much, I don't want. ठीक है. फिर वो तीसरी बार आया तो I said he said okay no you know I'm guessing you're expecting someone, you're waiting for someone, so till your friend joins us. I said my boyfriend is on his way. बंदी आ रही थी मिलने मुझसे, but I said my boyfriend is on his way, so if you can just leave me alone till then. He's like oh okay I'll back off. तब तब तक उसको नहीं समझ, पता नहीं मतलब क्यों नहीं आप
take a hint boys.
It's not even a hint, I said it in as many words.
Okay, understand the context.
And no, just like understand when no
बोल,
means
हाँ,
no.
no is no.
Like you know it's अब इतना क्लीशे साउंड करता है, right? We've said it so many times, but like people are not getting it. My advice unsolicited to women is कि एक बार ना no बोल दो.
Hard no
बोल दो, क्योंकि उसके बाद अगर उस बंदे ने कुछ किया despite you saying no, then that person is in the wrong in a very clear.
तो फिर वो legally भी wrong होंगे.
Exactly. So वो I know it's hard to say in every situation. It's easier ऐसे यहाँ पे बैठ के हम बोल रहे हैं, but
और हम बड़े भी हो गए शायद.
Try. हाँ.
As actor evolving to do 4 more shots के intimate scenes, how is that on a set like today? वो कितना बदल गया है? आप कितनी comfortable थी?
So मैं बिल्कुल comfortable नहीं थी because it was my first time ever doing an intimate scene on screen.
Like not even a kiss?
Not even a kiss.
You've not done a kiss?
I hadn't done a kiss. I had done one short film where there was a kiss scene, but वो as we go close, it goes blur. Okay. So we didn't really have to kiss. Plus a kiss is very different from like an intimate sexual sex scene or something, or making out scene even. I was very scared of that, of how it's going to be received. मैंने अपने parents को पहले, mom को तो मैंने I had like shown her the script. I said this is what I'm getting into. So my mom was like yeah, she was fine with it. My dad, when he saw the trailer, he said I'm going to sit this one out. And I was like please do, please, I don't want you to watch this. He's like yeah. But otherwise एक तो one very comfortable thing was that it was pretty much a female set. By season 3 we had an intimacy coordinator.
But कितना protected लगता है जब आपके पास intimacy coordinator होता है और उससे पहले कितना आप navigate करते हो अपने आप से?
वो safety net है. I think an intimacy coordinator provides you that safety net.
Yeah.
कि so you don't have to worry about other things. Then you're worrying only about the scene. कि scene में क्या करना है, scene कैसा अच्छा लगना चाहिए, scene में what is the emotion or you know all of that. And I know some actors struggle with it because it breaks down too much for them. उनको लगता है ये mechanical हो जाएगा, there is no room for spontaneity. But I think it's like it's an action scene अगर हो, या for example dance choreography. एक intimacy coordinator will tell you your basics कि you know
इधर से इधर जाना है, फिर ये करना है, फिर
ये करना है. They'll also ask personally if there's anything you're not okay with. If it's you know if you're not okay, because अच्छा also a lot of times I feel ये मेरा analysis है कि अब because we are so rightly sensitive towards women's needs on a set, especially in a scene like that, sometimes we tend to ignore the guys' needs, male actors'
मैं
needs.
वही सोच रहा था.
उसको हम एकदम lightly ले लेते हैं.
कि बंदे को भी कुछ नहीं पसंद हो सकता है यार.
Of course नहीं पसंद हो सकता है, plus कुछ भी you know something.
Trauma हो सकता है, हाँ.
Some trauma, something they're not comfortable with, something. Like I remember season 2 4 more shots में जो एक मेरा I had one intimate scene with this friend of with this guy Prabal का character था, तो उसका पहला दिन था and we were doing that scene, तो he was a little like
भाई ये
एक सेकंड यार कैसे एक उसने भी क्योंकि he'd never done that. Then they immediately realized to their credit and they checked it and they said okay no sorry. Then they came to us and I also told them, I said guys इसका पहला दिन है, इसको ऐसे मेरे लिए second season था तो मैं हाँ नहीं, और मैंने season 2 था, I know what they mean, I know how they're working and फिर उन्होंने scene change किया. They did the scene after that कि वो वाला इसके बाद वाला जो scene है
character
समझ लो, get a sense of the vibe of the place, of the set and you know all of the people, and then maybe we'll get into that. So I think it's also an intimacy coordinator also ensures that कि male actors should not get ignored, because we tend to, even in other shows I've seen that कि वो बहुत lightly ले लेते हैं हम उस चक्कर में in an attempt to be sensitive towards a girl's feelings, which is great, but we should be sensitive towards everyone.
नहीं मैं जब भी चांस मिलता है मैं reiterate करता हूँ, हम फेमिनिस्ट्स हैं, हम फेमिनिज्म को वो करते हैं, झंडा गाड़ते हैं, जो भी आप बोलें, लेकिन हम मेल हेटिंग नहीं हैं.
Of course.
हम उनकी नीड्स को रिकग्नाइज करते हैं, मतलब हमारी नीड्स को रिकग्नाइज करते हैं और ये बोलते हैं कि हाँ यार इक्वल की बात है, तो आप ये समझ सकते हैं.
जैसे अगर if it's a scene where you're in your like minimal clothing or something, तो जैसे ही कट होगा तो लड़की के ऊपर शॉल आ जाएगा,
हाँ,
ये आ जाएगा, लड़का क्यों नंगा खड़ा है? You know, वो बेचारा शॉर्ट्स में खड़ा है, and they're also like, I'm not that comfortable.
मानवी, हमारे पास एक स्पेशल सेगमेंट है सुपर पार्ट बाय क्लोविया, बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट वी नॉर्मलाइज कॉन्वर्सेशंस अराउंड lingerie, बिकॉज I don't think it is just what you wear under your clothes. It is something that gives you all body positivity, makes you feel confident. If you have a right fit, then you feel better. As men, हमें ये नहीं पता कि your introduction to a bra could have been पहले आप sports bra से introduce होंगी, फिर आपको bra मिलेगी.
I think no, I think I started with sports bra because I used to play a lot of basketball, and when I started developing breasts, I think, and I remember I told someone in one of the seniors in my team only. She said, listen, why don't you start wearing a sports bra? And I was like, oh yeah, and I used to find sports bras really cool because of the racer back thing and all of that.
Yeah, it was so
I
nice
was like,
looking.
yeah.
It
So
still looks damn hot.
I told my mom, I said, I want to get a sports bra, and my mom was like, no, you don't need it. And I'm like, no, I want. And she's like, okay, chalo. Then we went and got a couple of sports bras. Then sports bra ke baad, when I started wearing, I think in 10th or 11th is when I started wearing a regular bra.
What does the right fit bra or wearing one does to you on a normal basis? Does it add to that confidence and how you are feeling on the day?
I don't know if a good bra adds to confidence, but a bad bra would probably take away the confidence. Things like running or whatever, if you're conscious of that in a particular bra, then of course it then hampers your action and behavior and stuff. Yeah,
fair enough. जो क्लोविया के साथ हम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो ये भी है ना कि वो जो 80% महिलाओं को नहीं पता, उसी के बारे में अवेयरनेस कर रहे हैं कि अगर आप जाएं लॉन्जरी शॉपिंग तो आप अपनी सेल्स फोक से बोल सकते हो कि आप मुझे चेक करें साइज, और आप राइट साइज पहनोगे तो आप बेहतर
you'll feel better. It won't be tight or whatever. You won't feel the need to remove it also. It should feel like skin.
यार जनरली हमारे देश में लॉन्जरी क्या, इंटीमेसी के बारे में भी तो कुछ खुल के बात नहीं थी ना, इसलिए हम इस शो में इंटीमेसी के बारे में बात करते हैं क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि अगर आप पार्टनर्स के साथ शेयर करोगे, बात करोगे तो आप एक्सपीरियंस ही बेहतर पाओगे.
करेक्ट
है ना?
हाँ. और पार्टनर के साथ नहीं डिस्कस करोगे तो किसके साथ
करोगे? बट नहीं करती पब्लिक, मतलब जो हमारे लिए हाइजीन है वो नहीं होता, इसलिए हम इस शो पे बात करते हैं. लाइक यू एंड कुमार, यू स्पीक अबाउट थिंग्स ओपनली. लाइक
वो तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है भाई रिलेशनशिप का.
हाँ, करेक्ट. कि क्या पसंद है क्या नहीं पसंद है.
हाँ, नो, एंड यू हैव टू हैव अ हेल्दी सेक्स लाइफ विद योर हस्बैंड और पार्टनर और व्हाटएवर, सो बिकॉज़ आई डू थिंक इट्स, अनलेस यू आर ऑफ कोर्स you're asexual or something.
मुझे 4 more shots की सिद्धि याद है कि वो अनकंफर्टेबल है, उसकी माँ से वो बात करती है अपने वेट के बारे में या किसी और चीजों के बारे में, एंड आपने बोला है कि you would find yourself close to that, so were you having those run-ins?
Again, these are things I never realized. That's what I'm saying. तो मुझसे आप पूछोगे अभी तो I was always a confident person, and I never had any qualms and ये वो. अच्छा, again, now another difference between Delhi Bombay is that Bombay में you wear shorts, right? Also because the weather is such. हाँ, Delhi में हम उतना shorts नहीं पहनते हैं. Even in summer you'll wear dresses, you'll wear long skirts, you'll wear jeans, and shorts I think उतना नहीं होता है unless घरों में है. So in FOMO shots I had only short dresses and short skirts, and I used to be very conscious of my thighs, and I was like, guys, my thighs, why are you showing my thighs? अच्छा, शो अभी आया नहीं था हम, but shoot had finished, तो अभी हम लोग we used to chill and all, तो हम लोग एक बार लंच पे गए थे, and I was wearing a short dress, and Anu was our director, so she looked at me, she's like, तू तो बोलती थी, and I'm like, oh yeah, and I didn't, मतलब वो इतना seamlessly वो shift हुआ कि I didn't even realize.
So cool.
I just became so comfortable with that I started wearing shorts and short dresses. I didn't even realize.
So Siddhi trickled into your life.
Yeah, and again very subconsciously. Like a friend of mine, when Siddhi happened, season 1 came out, FOMO shots. My one friend of mine, she called me and she was like, Manvi, I loved it. I related so much to that part. And I was like, how? You're really skinny. And she's like, no, and then she told me, she's like, I've had dark circles my whole life, and everybody has always told me कि ये dark circle ये करा, और उसका genetic है या whatever. तो I was like, oh, so मेरे दिमाग में ना, it was always about body positivity, but it's body positivity. It's not just about body type positivity or body shape. It's just everything. It's so I was like, oh, and then I was like, oh, that's how people are relating with Siddhi. It's not just the fat thing.
नहीं यार, थोड़ा इंडस्ट्री ने भी unrealistic standards set किए नहीं for body types
of course.
for how you should look
Yeah,
and
yeah,
whatever.
yeah. They say if you see till the 80s or maybe early 90s, again there were all sorts of actresses, right? मतलब वो
Bollywood में?
Bollywood में, हाँ,
हाँ, हाँ.
मतलब चबी, मोटी, पतली, again every
In
kind.
fact, the South till very recently also did.
Yeah, you know Kate Winslet for Titanic was called fat. She was fully fat shamed. She was called very fat
I've
during
read this.
Titanic and
Yeah.
all. Then और भी ऐसे कुछ America's Next Top Model एक शो आता था टायरा
हाँ जी,
बैंक्स.
हाँ.
उसमें टायरा बैंक्स ने बोला है लोगों को कि who is now a body positive activist, she at that point has told girls कि did you eat a sandwich yesterday because it's showing, and if you see that girl you'll be like no,
Where?
it's not, where, you know, things like that. And tab it was so okay to say it to people, and people in entertainment industry they feel कि ये तो हमारा हक है बोलना. If you want to be a model, you have to be. Darling, you can't be eating that pizza, you know. I mean, they'll come and say it like that. And you're like, you know, how can you just come and say things? मतलब कुछ भी हो रहा है, you know, in the name of policing / grooming, you know. So, yeah.
Tying the two together कि क्योंकि lingerie is often seen as a private form of self-expression. आपको कैसे लगता है कि lingerie can be empowering for women regardless of their body type?
Yeah. If you feel good in it, if it makes you feel good, if it adds value in whatever way. So I think lingerie also can be extremely empowering, like irrespective of size and body type.
That's so true. यार जैसे हम open conversation कर रहे हैं, आपके हिसाब से open conversations around lingerie क्या वो body awareness के बारे में contribute कर सकती है?
Actually, the problem with lingerie is that या तो हम बिल्कुल बात नहीं करते उसके बारे में, या हमने overly sexualize कर दिया है उसको. You know, there's no like in between. मतलब आप lingerie देखते सोचते ही हो तो आपके दिमाग में lace and एक hot सी बंदी and you know ass shots and boob shots ये सब आ रहा है. मतलब मेरे at least maybe I'm project. So we need to remove that angle of over sexualization in general from women. On camera, but lingerie also. I mean, I think that will be one way to go about talking about it in a very nonchalant way.
जैसे हम कर गए यार अभी.
हाँ, जैसे हमने heels की बात कर ली, कपड़ों की बात कर ली, खाने पीने, you know, whatever. We've talked about so many things.
Exactly.
So why not lingerie?
2025 की औरत होने का क्या मायना है आपका?
I only do things I want to do. Practicing my agency of choice, saying no when I want to, and more than no, मैं हाँ तो बोल देती हूँ, लेकिन boundary एक सेट करना कि बस यहाँ तक, you know, I mean, if I'm saying I'll do a project, I will. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम कभी भी रात को कॉल करके मुझे बोल रहे हो कि अरे इसमें हेल्प कर दे and all of that. So you know, things just setting boundaries and hoping to take the men along, the allies along.
Yes. ये to all
Which
the
they will,
allies.
yeah.
यार women are also expected ना कि थोड़ा soft spoken हो, जी हुजूरी करने वाली हो.
Ladylike.
Ladylike. ये क्या है? What is ladylike 2025?
Control, how to control women.
ये controlling
Dawao. I read this one quote which I absolutely love, which said that society should consider itself lucky that women only want equality and not revenge. The kind of oppression that women have faced over the years. I mean, हम तो अब तो बहुत, we are in a much better position than let's say 10-20 years ago. There's Sankhya philosophy एक है जहाँ से योगा आता है. तो उसमें they talk about something called Pingla and Ida Nadi. Every we all nadis, nadis होता है, हाँ. Pingla is the masculine, represents the masculine. Ida represents the feminine, and it only talks about balance. It never says Pingla is better or Ida is better. It never says masculine is superior or femininity is superior. It is equal. Shiv Shakti. ये जो concept है of one being superior, whichever being superior. वो गलत है, मतलब वो fully man-made है / human-made, but systemic है. So that is what we are fighting.
Over time, the definition of what makes you happy has evolved?
Yeah.
How?
I think I understand happiness differently. I was going to say I understand it better. I don't know if it's better or worse, but I understand it differently now. पहले it was a lot of external things. कि जब मेरे पास घर होगा ना तब मतलब जब मैं ये गाड़ी लूंगी ना जब मैं ये you know whatever. I still have those dreams and ambitions. You know, like I've started you know, when you just share a great laugh with your best friend, it's like अरे यार कितना suddenly you have these moments where you're like dude this is so amazing.
हाँ so उसके शांत होने के बाद आप सोच रहे हो यार यही तो चाहिए.
यही तो है लाइफ.
यार क्या चीजें मर्दों को समझनी बेहतर मतलब हो जानी चाहिए जो नहीं समझते हो?
यार एक तो कि अगर कोई औरत कुछ बोल रही है तो पहले तो सुन लो. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग कि अरे ये तो
बेहतर
हमारे
पता
साथ भी होता है, ये तो होता है ना, यू नो, वो तो लड़कों के साथ ये होता होगा, बट तुम अपने टाइम में बोलना ना। मैं ही जब बोल रही हूँ तब क्यों तुम्हें याद आ रहा है कि लड़कों के साथ क्या बुरा होता है, यू नो। सो एंड सो दैट इज वन, कि एक बार सुन लो क्या बोल रही है लड़कियां। दूसरा, डोंट स्पीक ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ वुमेन. Let give pass the mic. It's not anyway, it's not your mic to pass on, so you know, share the mic. And thirdly, that which I think men should know, is that patriarchy is really bad for them as well. It puts a lot of pressure on them. It puts this pressure of toxic masculinity. It puts pressure of
emotional suppression.
This have to be the provider and have to be this level of achiever. Nahi hai to you're a failure in life.
Can't
you're a
lose your
loser.
shit.
Yeah, things like just, and it's really unhealthy. And again, this is backed by research. I know a friend who has done research on this, that patriarchy leads to more deaths of men than women, barring the sexual crimes. Okay, if you remove the sexual crimes, because men are they are the ones who are going out and fending for the family. They are more susceptible to a lot of other things.
Yeah, the stress.
So stress, and like, or even like something like वो घर से बाहर निकल रहे accident हो सकता है. You know, something can fall on them. Women are at home. You know, in extremely patriarchal societies. So yeah, मतलब I think men should understand that this is एक साथ चलना है यार, एक साथ ही.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you so much for being on the
Thank
Male
you.
Feminist. We do signs on this, and we have something special for you. There is a hamper that the cool folks at Clovia provided,
Oh,
so that's for
wow.
you.
Thank you guys.
But thank you so much for being on the.
Thank you.
This is me, Siddharth Alambayan, signing off. Please, अगर आप लोगों को कंटेंट अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.
Yeah.
बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर लेना.
Thank you guys.
Bye.